Let's look at this mattress and see how jacked up it is. This is indented. There's definitely an indent where I sleep here. And then up there, there's like a big mountain. There's another indent over there where my wife sleeps. Nice comfortable spot in the middle where nobody sleeps. We are looking at a mattress topper upgrade to upgrade my sleep. If you don't know me, my name is Josh. I'm here to help you improve your home and your life while also improving mine. Here is my Airtree mattress topper. This product was sent to me by the brand and it is a paid sponsored video. That's like a letter opener. This right here is the heavy one. This is the gel pad and it comes in two. This is the pillow topper. First thing I'm gonna do is open up this gel thing. This is the Airtree dual topper. So you've got the gel, you've got the pillow topper. We're gonna let it rest to recover. So we're gonna let it just sit here and then we're gonna try it out tonight. Also, this is a cooling gel. So this is supposed to help keep you cool at night as well. So we have a deep pocket deal that goes over our mattress. Now our mattress is already deep pocketed. So I'm wondering how that's gonna work out for us. We're gonna open with care, like it said. We're gonna allow it to expand. So we're gonna place the gel memory foam on top of a mattress and also place this quilted breathable pillow topper on top. This looks really comfy, but I can see one potential problem that I might run into, and that is that the mattress is already deep pocketed. So I'm gonna need like extra deep sheets, deep pocketed sheets for this thing. And the sheet that we use right now is not deep pocketed because we use a grounding sheet. And that grounding sheet works with our mattress alone, but I don't know if it's gonna work with this. And I'm putting this pillow topper on now, and I'm putting it down all the way down on our deep pocketed mattress. And I'm hoping that, you know, I don't have to upgrade my actual bed for a while, my mattress. I'm hoping that all I have to do is just use this pillow topper for a while and get a couple years out of it. I have a regular king size bed. This pillow topper fits really well. The gel thing seems to be a little bigger than the bed, which is okay because the pillow topper actually pulls it down around the edges, which is kind of nice. I'm still kind of letting this rest before I actually use it. And I won't really know how well it performs, like if it's a sleep upgrade or not, until after I've had a couple of nights of sleep. You can use these individually. You can use the gel pad by itself, or you can use the pillow topper by itself, or you can use them in combination like I'm doing right now with the gel pad and also the pillow topper. The gel pad is supposed to help contour and conform to your body. The pillow topper is just supposed to make it softer for you. And all of this is supposed to be cooling, so we'll find that out as well. And one more thing about this whole thing is that this pillow topper is machine washable. I'm not sure about drying it, but I think you can dry it on low. And then the gel pad is not washable. You cannot wash that. So this top part right here, I'm not even gonna put like a regular mattress pad on. I'm just gonna put our sheets over this, see how it does tonight. Final thoughts on this Airtree mattress pad with the gel and the pillow topper. The first night that my wife and I slept on this, we had some of the best sleep ever. I don't know, it just feels like a hotel, like sleeping in a hotel room, like a luxurious type of hotel. So I give it a 10 out of 10. We left it on the bed and it's been 4 or 5 days. This has definitely helped me sleep. It's helped both of us sleep. And I think we're getting more rest now. Although now our mattress is about 4 or 5 inches thicker than it was before. So we have to get a ladder to get up on the bed. Just kidding. But it is high up here.